Guys, just have a look here. The black car in front is being very courteous, actually letting a elderly gentleman walk past them. So if you didn't see that in advance, then be patient, don't horn straight away. Now watch the cyclist. They are going to go past them, and this black car suddenly sticks the signal on, doesn't really look, and is about to take the cyclist out. So I want you guys to have a look and work out who was right and who was wrong. In my opinion, the black car signaled very late, and decided very late to take the turn. So the cyclist is in his right to overtake. Look, there's no signal now, the signal's on, and the driver does not even look properly. So let's have a look at it one more time. You guys have a look as well, see what you think. The cyclist will be approaching very shortly, just after the gentleman goes past. There's no signal on the black car as of yet. There's still no signal, there's still no signal, there's still no signal, there's still no signal, and now, right when the cyclist is right there. So be very careful, make sure you use your mirrors properly.